How to sign out of Google account on laptop or PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google. Search google.com and click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Then, at the bottom, you'll find Sign Out. Click on Sign Out. After that, you'll be signed out of your account. And if you again want to sign in to other account, press on Sign In at the top right. Then you can use another account by clicking on Use Another Account. After you have pressed on Use Another Account, you can add your email or phone, add password, and sign into that account. You can also remove the account you signed out. If you want to sign into the same account, click on it, add password, press on Next, press on Not Now, and you'll be signed in again. This is how to sign out of Google account on laptop or PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.